Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Powerbeats Pro with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top. Now go to Settings. After that, open the charging case. Open the charging case. And it should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold the connection button for at least 3 seconds. Now this LED light it starts flashing white, so it means that it's entered to pairing mode and we should see it at the device list. And now click Connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!